Video number 4. How your business can get the most out of LinkedIn. LinkedIn has an awesome set of marketing tools that almost no other platform may offer to you. What we are going to show you in videos 4 through 10 is LinkedIn company pages, LinkedIn groups, LinkedIn SlideShare, LinkedIn ads, LinkedIn Premium, LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and LinkedIn mobile apps. LinkedIn company pages. A LinkedIn company page helps other members on the platform learn about your business, brand, and job opportunities. Any LinkedIn member is allowed to follow a company page. To create a company page, go to www.linkedin.com/company. Once you click on the Create button, LinkedIn will allow you to start the process of creating your company page. The company page will be useful in raising brand awareness, announcing career opportunities, and promoting your product and service offers. Add a company. Company pages provide public information concerning each company on LinkedIn. To add a company page, LinkedIn requires you to enter a company name and your email address for the company. It is important to note that only current employees are allowed to create a company page on LinkedIn. Company name. Your company name should reflect your business and the products and services you offer. This will make it easier for LinkedIn members to identify with your company. For instance, if you are running a cake decorating business, you could name your company page as Cake Decorating Made Simple. Your email address for your company. Add an email address that LinkedIn members will use to contact you or your company when in need of your products or services. Remember, your email has to be valid and should be related to your business. Verification. After adding a company name and email address, it is important to verify it by clicking the I verify that I am the official representative of this company and have the right to act on behalf of my company in the creation of this page. Once you confirm and click on the Continue button, you will see a message similar to, "Thank you. A confirmation email has been sent to your email address at company." Now check your inbox. Check your company inbox for a confirmation email sent from LinkedIn. Follow the instructions in the email to continue creating your company page profile. Complete your company profile information. Once you open your email inbox, you will find a message similar to, "Hi, your name. We're excited you want to create a company page for your company name. We just need to confirm your email address to finish up." Click on the Confirm Email button. Confirm your email address. LinkedIn will require you to confirm the email address you provided them for your company. You will be required to click on a confirmation button. Once you click on the button, you will be required to confirm the new email address. While signing into your LinkedIn profile, ensure you use the existing primary email address. Overview. Once you sign into your LinkedIn account, an overview page of your company will be displayed. You will be required to optimize your company name and description for a specific language. The default option is English. If your company serves non-English speakers, then you can consider changing the language in this section. Your company name will appear as provided earlier, although if you wish to change it, you could do that in this section. Company description. Tell LinkedIn members about the purpose of the company page and what type of content they should expect. The minimum allowed company description should contain 100 characters, while the maximum company description could be up to 2,000 characters. Make your company description discreet, precise, and convincing to get people interested in your products and services. Default language. This section allows LinkedIn members to see the company name and description that matches their language preference. LinkedIn will display your default language selection to the members. Company page admins. You will be one of the designated admins of your company page. However, it is possible to add other members from your company as admins of the same company page. To add other members as designated admins, you must be connected to them. There is a search box that allows you to search the names of LinkedIn members you wish to add as admins to the company page. Add image. LinkedIn allows you to add an image in PNG, GIF, or JPEG. The maximum size you can upload is 2 meg. The image must also be 646 by 220 pixels or even larger. You can also crop your image once you upload it. Company logo. You can also upload your company's logo. The logo should either be a JPEG, GIF, or PNG file. The image must also be 300 by 300 pixels or larger and must be smaller than 4 megabytes. Company type. Select the type of company from a drop-down menu. Your company could be categorized into a public company, educational, self-employed, government agency, nonprofit, self-owned, privately held, or a partnership company. Company size. Provide an estimate of your company size. Some of the options include myself only, 2 to 10, 11 to 50, 51 to 200, 201 to 500, 501 to 1,000, 1,001 to 5,000, 5,001 to 10,000, and 10,001 or more. Company website URL. Provide a website URL for your company page. Visitors can visit your website using this URL. Main company industry. Choose an industry in which your company fits. Choose the right industry to help you connect with the relevant professional connections. Company operating status. Your company could be operating subsidiary, reorganizing, out of business, or acquired. Choose the right option here to keep your connections informed. You can also add the year founded. Once you fill out these details, click on the Publish button. You will be redirected to the Admin Center, where you can post daily company updates, start a conversation with members, and create a word-of-mouth campaign for your business. You will also find the information you provided while creating your company page on your homepage. You can share an update concerning your business and determine whom you want to share with. You can also create an update, paste in a URL for your business, and wait for the preview. Make relevant updates that will entice LinkedIn members to follow your page and even buy some of your products and services.